All right, so today we're going to look over the transformations assignment right here. Let's try some of these out. So it says we are looking to map the transformation from O to P. So let's take one of these points and count how many units we go, okay? So it also helps to zoom in here. So let's count from here to here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then from here to here, that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 5 to the left, 4 down. Well, let's keep it here. Oh no, it doesn't work like that. 5 left, 4 down. And watch this animate right here for you. There you go. And that's it. Submit, you get your credit. There you go. You can watch the animation here. This is a translation, okay? Our next one is translate figure by vector. So the first one, you have to do 3. This one you also have to do 3. See this yellow dot here? You drag it 4 left and 5 down. Then I click and drag this thing and I move it here. I move it to each of these corners, okay? And that's it. I submit and it animates it for me. I'll do this one more time. 2 to the right and 4 up. So I drag this yellow dot here, 2 right and 4 up. Then I move this onto each of these things. And then I submit. 3 out of 3, I'm done. And I can see the animation for it here. All right. So first one I have to do 3, next one I have to do 3. This one I have to do 4. This time I have to count 1 to the right and 4 down. So I count for each one. So let's do this point. This is 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Notice that this point is -1, 2. And this one is 0, -2, right? It's 1 right, 4 down. It's like this. -1 plus 1, 2 minus 4. Where 1 right is this one. You're adding 1 when you move to the right. And you're subtracting 4 when you move down 4. Okay? So that's how we get from here. This becomes 0 equals 0, -2. Okay, that's how we move these coordinates. We can either count for each of them 1 right, 4 down, or we can do the math and find the new points. Okay. We can also do this for other points. For example, I can count this one 1 right, 2, 3, 4. Or I count from this point to this point is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I start from here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same for this one. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should be, notice it's the same if I count this way, 1 right and 4 down. So I submit this, and I got it. It should be the exact same size, same shape, okay? All right. Next one, we want to reflect this over there. So there's here's how we do it, okay? We drag the yellow ones to turn it. So these turn it. And then we click the line to move it. So I'm moving it. I want it somewhere near here, but let's try turning it. Move it there. There we go. All right, now this is it, and we click submit. All right. Let's take another look at one of these. So I'm going to move this onto the right spot. Here, let's take a look at this. So you just click this to turn, you move this, okay? Before we move on, let's go into line of reflection a bit more, okay? So if we take a look at this one, this is one you don't have to do, but we're going to take a look at an example for this, okay? Earlier we were drawing the line of reflection. Here we'll understand what it is a bit more, okay? So this is one you don't have to do, but this helps you understand line of reflection a bit, okay? So I connect these, I mark the midpoint. That's about the midpoint. That's about the midpoint. The midpoint, and I draw a line through it, right? All right, so look at here. This and this are the same distance. This and this are the same distance. This and this are the same distance, okay? So this line is actually a perpendicular bisector. This line is a perpendicular bisector, and these are equidistant. Okay, these are the same, these are the same, these are the same. And then I can also draw in a right angle. So this bisects this, and it cuts through the midpoint, and it is perpendicular to it, okay? So perpendicular bisector comes up everywhere, okay? This is just to teach you a bit about it. You have to go through slope, so I don't want to make you all do that, so let's continue. Reflect over a line. This one's pretty simple. So I count from here to here, or let's do this from here to here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, okay? I count the same way the other direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point here. This is 1, so I go 1. This is 1, 2, 3, so I go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They will be the same shape, just flip-flopped. And I click submit. I don't need that. Here's an animation for a reflection. You flip it over. All right, last one. This one's a bit harder. Here are a few things to keep track of, okay? You can do it this way. So from here, this is 1, 2.5. So this is half, 1, 2. So I either put it there, or I count this way. Where this is 5, this is 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then let's fill in the other points. So this is 1.5 right here. 1.5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I can also remember I can also count this way. From here to here is 3. From here to here is 3. Or from here to here should be the same, okay? I submit it. And there we go. So the hardest part of this is counting. Good luck. Like and subscribe. Bye.